In today's video, I will be talking to you about variables in Python. This is the most basic and a very important topic to know about in Python. The resource I will be using is PyCharm. But if you haven't a clue about it, go check out our last video on installing PyCharm, which I have linked in the description box down below. So let's get on with variables in Python. So I have PyCharm open, and for a new project, click on New Project. And as you can see, you can locate your project, which is very cool. So I'm going to call my location variables. So now you can right click on your location, which in my case is variables, and hover on new and finally click on Python file. You can name it, so I'm going to call it variable1, and on clicking enter you should get something looking like this. Now, just for your information, variables are not permanent. They are the names of the data you allocate or give them until the values are changed. So let's create a variable called name. And let's give it the value something really long, like lengthy, like Antoinette. So if I wanted to print a statement with that name in it, I would just have to type in the variable. Let me show you how. So first we have our little print statement, and then the parentheses, and don't forget the quotes. I am going to type in the sentence, her name is. And then outside the quotation marks, I'm going to put a little comma, and following that, the variable name. Now, when I run this, we will get the following output. Now, the cool part is that when I change the value of the variable to Mary and run the code, the sentence we will change to her name is Mary. Now, I'm just going to add another quick example. So the Mary variable is age, value given to it is 13, and another print statement saying that her age is, and the output, her name is Mary, her age is 13. I hope you enjoyed variables in Python and learnt something from this video. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for further updates. You can also let us know what you want to learn next in the comments down below.